Hello there. Welcome back to Queen's English, where we learn to speak like the Queen with your host, Squire Amir. It's nice to see you again. Right, today we've got a very interesting lesson and a very easy one. And I hope you'll enjoy it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. We're going to have a look at articles. What's an article, you say? Well, an article are words such as a, an, the. Aha, I knew you'd get it. So when do we use a? Everybody's seen the letter A in English. When do we use a? When can I use the word a? Well, we use the word a before a consonant. What's a consonant? Well, first, you know we have vowels. So we have A, E, I, O, U. Everybody knows those. Consonants are not vowels. So letters like C or B or D or G. So when we need to say a noun, for example, this is what? Do I say in English, this is phone or this phone? No. I say this is a phone. This is a phone, right? This is a pipe. That's when we use a. So for example, a girl, a tree, a dog, a cat, a boy. Okay, remember that? Use an before a vowel sound. So for example, a word with a vowel sound is an apple. An apple. We all know what an apple is, right? It's difficult for me to say a apple, a apple, a apple. So in English we say an apple. For example, an apricot. We don't say a apricot. It hurts. So we say an apricot. An egg, an Indian, an engineer, an hour. Right, so you may ask, why did I say an hour for 1 hour? Because it's a consonant. It's got a H. But this H is silent. We don't pronounce it. I won't say 1 hour. See me in 1 hour's time. I'll say see me in an hour's time. So that's why we use the word an hour here. Also, we use an and a with countable nouns, not uncountable. Now I'll do another lesson on countable and uncountable, but for this lesson, let's just take a look. So we have a car, we have a house, a boy, that's correct, a girl, a book, an orange, an apple, an hour. But we don't say a water, a water. I can say to you in English, give me an apple. Give me an egg. But can I say give me a water? A water? A water means one water. Can you count water? No. So we don't use it for water. We can say give me a glass of water. Give me some water, but not a water. For example, air. Can I say, give me air? How can you? Okay, here we go. Here's the air. Here's the air. Here you go. You've got the air. Where is the air? We don't say that. We say, give me a canister of air. Give me some oxygen, please. It means in those bottles or something like this. Coffee. Give me a coffee. Give me a coffee. A coffee. It's a liquid. How much coffee do you want? 1 cup? 2 cups? Some coffee? We don't say, give me a coffee. We say, can I have a cup of coffee? So sugar, rice, love, the feeling of love. Give me a love. Give me a love. How much is a love? We just say, give me love. Give me your love. Give her my love. That's what we say. And milk. So these are uncountable nouns. We don't use articles, a and with them. So definite and indefinite. The difference between this is a and the. So for example, I want an egg. I will say, give me an egg. What egg do you want? There are so many eggs. Which one did you want? Oh, that one. It's indefinite. But if I want to choose a specific egg, one egg, that one, I will say, give me the egg. Give me the egg. If I turn around and say to someone, give me the egg, he will think, which egg? He knows I'm talking about one egg. So he will look at me and I will say, point. For example, give me a chair. Give me a chair. This means a chair, any chair. There's a chair there, there's a chair there, there's a chair there. Give me a chair, any chair. If I say, give me the chair, give me the chair, this means I'm talking about one chair that I know. It's definite, it's known. Give me the chair, please. Okay, that's the difference between indefinite and definite. Unknown and known. So I bought a book. I bought a book. The book is strong. So when I say I bought a book, you don't know what book it is. Then, now that I've told you I have bought a book, now you know what book it is, and then I can say the book. The book is very big, because you will not say which book. You know I'm talking about the book that I just bought, right? So I ate an apple yesterday. The apple was delicious. I saw a good film yesterday. Give me a chair, please. The chair on your left. Not any chair, that chair. I saw a good film yesterday. Do you want to know the name of the film? Do you want a drink? Do you want a drink? The drink's on the table. We don't use articles when we make general statements. When we say, for example, girls are beautiful, this is general. I'm not talking about a group of girls over there, but I'm talking in general. Girls are beautiful. Dogs are good pets. Dogs are good pets. Exercise is good for your health. I won't say the exercise is good for your health, a exercise is good for your health. No, I will say exercise is good for your health. Walking in the morning is always nice. Walking in the morning is always nice. Education is important. Education is important. It's a general statement. I ate some apples. I ate some apples. I ate rice today. I ate rice today. They all drank water. They all drank water. No articles. Where do we not use an article? With proper nouns of people and places. So for example, I want to go to London. I will not say I want to go to the London. I want to go to a London. No, I will say I want to go to London. It's the proper noun of that place. I want to see George tomorrow. I want to meet George tomorrow. I will not say I want to meet a George. I want to meet the George. No, I want to meet George. So names, for example, names like Amir, James, George, Tom, Tuka, Anne, Jade, Sue. These are names. We don't use pronouns. Places like London, Damascus, Paris, Japan, the United Kingdom, the United States, the Middle East. Now you will ask, why am I using the here now? That's because that is the complete name of that place. We say the United States. That's the proper the name for it. Games. I want to play chess. I want to play cricket. Not I want to play the cricket. No, I want to play cricket. I want to play football, tennis, languages. I want to learn English. I want to learn English. I want to learn French. I can speak Spanish. Not I can speak the Spanish or I can speak a Spanish. No, I can speak Spanish. I know Italian. I'm very good at German. Okay, now time for a short quiz. Ready? So here are your sentences. I want you to pause the video, try to answer the questions, and then I'll give you the answers, okay? When you're ready, press play again. Right, here are the answers. Did you get them correct? This is an expensive book. Who is ready to start the quiz? Where is the pen gone? Come and meet me at the station. I want to buy 2 computers. The first must be cheap and the second very fast. Right, that's it for today. I hope you liked the lesson. If you liked the lesson, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends who are learning English, and I will make more videos for you. And you can message me in the comment section of any videos you'd like me to make for you, and I shall make them for you. Right, so take care of yourself, and I'll see you next time. Bye from Squire Amir, Queen's English, where we learn to speak like the Queen. If you stay with me long enough, you too shall be speaking English like the Queen. Bye-bye now.